How to manage your pages in Tumblr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Here on the right top, tap on settings. So now we're in the settings interface. Here you can find different options and even customize it. Now slowly scroll down. Here there's a section called pages. Simply tap on pages. So this is the place where you can customize your page or your feed. Here you can enable or disable things that you like or unlike. So it's up to you and the way you want to customize it. So you can even check it out by going onto your feed and filling the best one or the one that you need. At last, go back and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.